There's the mosquito truck. It's 80, 81, 82, or 83. I think it's 82. What's that noise? Whew. There he is. I got my lizard. Come on, Gizmo. It's okay. There he is. Oh, there he goes.
I'd hate to lose those.
Yeah. It's okay, buddy. Coming through here. Here he is. Yes, sir. Yes. Woo! I have a buddy.
Cool.
You're using 81, the, one of the most quietest. I
Yeah.
thought you were using 82.
Person.
Alright. Yeah. Well, see you later. So,
I don't know if he'll stop for him.
Yeah.
He doesn't stop for people.
Kane?
Yeah, he's trying to get home.
Yeah.
I took my mosquito test today.
Alright, nice. So,
Very, very hard. Good in school.
yeah. Alright, probably let you go. So,
Alright.
alright. Bye, and here's Gizmo. Alright. Bye, Chris.
Yeah.